So today dish has some leftover dumpling. We're gonna fry that with some sausage and some baked bean. So we have some onion, bell peppers, tomato, and scotch bonnet pepper right there. So and then we have about 7 sausage right here. So and then over here so we have some wild dumpling with 2 pieces of sweet potato. So that's what we're about to make today. So the first thing I'm gonna do is put the dumpling them on the cutting board. I'm gonna cut up them there. So how much dumpling we have? 6 dumplings. So I'll cut up them. Alright, so what I normally do, I cut them in half. Just bust them in half. And then we just take up each of them, slice it down the middle. So what me do is just hold it firmly, start it from the tip of the blade and push it. Cut it in half. So some people too, yeah, some people then put it on the cutting board and slice it. But it works better for me when I hold it in my hand, but it's not safe. But when you're used to something, you just tend to do it all the time. Go that chamba. Me hold it. After we cut up all of the dumpling then now, come and just turn on the fire under the oil pot. So if we cut up them after them already. Then when I'm done now, we start fry them. And when we start fry them now, we move on to the seasoning and the sausage, right? So we have that. We're gonna take up a couple dumplings. We're gonna put them to the pot. So whether face down or front down, everything normally put on the same side, so that when I mix face, not only turn already. If that makes sense. You're gonna put them on the different side, and then I'm gonna remember which one will they turn already, or which one to turn. Once I put them on the same side, then I'm gonna always remember which one to turn next. Hope that makes sense. Just find some space and get as much as you want. I could run off the season, yeah. So we'll go with the onion. Too much grip on the onion, you know. And we have to pay attention to the dumpling them also, because we don't want them burn. Alright, this is good enough. So move it over, and then we run off the tomato them. Pepper. Okay, go stop this and go check my dumpling them. My dumpling them look like them ready for turn. Alright, so I go small with them. Turn dumpling them. Move on to a green bell pepper now. Add some color to the pot. And cut them up fine because that's the only way we can eat them. If you like them long, you can leave them like that. But yeah, cut up. Should I do them a little smaller too? I'm gonna run in with the pepper. Pepper in a freezer, you know. So it's kind of soft, you know. Kind of soft. If you know what I mean. Chili in a fridge. So we are running with the seed them too. I want it spicy. Alright, so we have that ready. We're going to take out dumpling them now. Just sugar them up, you know. And then I'm going to drop them like this. Everything there for drain. I'll cut up the frankfurt I didn't know. So depends on what size I like. Some people cut them just round like this and thing. For me, do this right, and then we'll cut them. When I use my knife, I'm going to do a push. I don't know. Instead of saka. Just push. And then we have 3 more. And my dumpling them need to turn. Alright, so I can move faster. The dumpling them did it so I bone up. I fry it up in this. So I could go and make the pot hot. You know. Take some of the oil from the pot to fry up the sausage. The first thing I'm gonna fry up my sausage them first, cause I want them crispy. Put the oil hotter than that then. Alright, so let's push out the sausage then. It looks nice, so I can remove them out. And these are some great frankfurter. I also use thin sausage or canned sausage. I'll remove them out. So some skilling. Use another again. Same time we're gonna add in the onion. Then we're gonna add some tomato paste. I use ketchup if that's your choice, but the tomato paste gives a nice color and taste. I should have turned over the onion then, but it is what it is at this point. So we're gonna add tomato, bell pepper, saffron pepper. Alright guys, you can add the baked meat to this and fix it up on it. Okay, I'm going to go in with some water. I think I want to make up the sauce first before I add the beans to it. I want to get the sauce to a nice color also. So for that, we're going to add some paprika. Paprika is just pepper, guys. It's just pepper, so I'm going to come at me right now. So we're going to add some paprika. I want to have a nice color. I'm going to go in with a little all-purpose. I've eaten this bean before, so I have an idea how it tastes. And all of that. You can also add some ketchup to the mixture. Alright, so I work with that for a second. So now we're going to the bean. So the bean ugly, see the color? So that's the reason why I'm gonna cook the sauce first. this warm up first before I add the sausage them to it. Alright, we are going with the sausage.